The P0456 diagnostic trouble code indicates a very small leak has been detected in your Dodge vehicle's evaporative emission control system, commonly known as the EVAP system. This leak is extremely small, typically between 20 thousandths and 40 thousandths of an inch in diameter. To put this in perspective, it's barely visible to the naked eye. The EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It captures these vapors in a charcoal canister and later burns them in the engine, significantly reducing harmful emissions. The engine control module continuously monitors pressure and vacuum levels within the sealed fuel system. When it detects pressure decay that exceeds predetermined thresholds, it triggers the P456 code. Gas cap issues account for 35 to 40% of P0456 cases, making it the most common culprit. Vapor hoses account for 25 to 30%, followed by purge valve problems and charcoal canister issues. Dodge has recently refined their EVAP system monitoring algorithms, and updated service bulletins now emphasize the importance of following specific drive cycles for proper system reset after repairs. The first step in diagnosing P0456 leaks is a thorough visual inspection. Start by examining the gas cap and all accessible EVAP components for obvious signs of damage or wear. Next, use an enhanced OBD2 scanner to verify the P456 code and monitor real-time fuel tank pressure data. Modern scanners can provide detailed EVAP system information that helps narrow down the problem area. Smoke testing is the most effective method for pinpointing leak locations. Professional-grade smoke machines introduce visible smoke into the EVAP system, making even tiny leaks clearly visible to the naked eye. For more precise diagnostics, ultrasonic leak detectors and electronic pressure decay testers can identify leaks that might be missed by visual inspection alone. These tools are especially useful for hard-to-reach areas. Based on diagnostic results, repairs typically involve replacing one or more EVAP system components. The most common failures are gas caps, vapor hoses, purge valves, and charcoal canisters, each with different complexity levels and costs. After completing repairs, it's crucial to perform a proper drive cycle to reset the EVAP system monitoring. This allows the engine control module to verify that the leak has been fixed and clear the diagnostic trouble code. For complex diagnostics or warranty considerations, professional service is recommended. Simple repairs like gas cap replacement can be done at home, but advanced testing requires specialized equipment and expertise.